Here's a 2016 Dodge Durango. With incredible power, space, and safety, adventures spring to life with the all-in Durango. Forge ahead with confidence in an SUV that refuses to be bland. Ambient lighting greets you as you effortlessly get in and take off with keyless go. Swipe the touchscreen to stay connected and entertained with Uconnect, and control your conversations hands-free with integrated voice command with Bluetooth. Rotary shift gives precise control to the 8-speed automatic transmission, helping with the best-in-class power and fuel economy.
You'll want to keep both hands on the heated steering wheel. Feel confident getting from point A to point B with the navigation system. The heated rear seats keep your passengers as comfortable as you.
If you're ready to shed the ordinary, then head here and test drive the Dodge Durango today.
Oarsman Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. You've come to the right place. We're conveniently located at 12430 Auto Drive in Clarksville, Maryland.